World War III might not happen, but let's still talk about bioweapons because I love them. So, on the first bioweapons video, we talked about a nerve agent called sarin. Now, we're going to talk about another nerve agent called VX. Now, whenever it comes to using VX versus sarin, they work in kind of the same way, as both are nerve agents that are specifically acetylcholinesterase inhibitors. Acetylcholinesterase being the enzyme in our bodies that breaks down a protein called acetylcholine. And what happens whenever a nerve agent like VX or sarin inhibits acetylcholinesterase is that acetylcholinesterase can no longer break down acetylcholine, which means that acetylcholine then builds up in our systems, thus disrupting the nerve impulse transmission in your central nervous system. And this can cause things like weakness, wheezing, coma, paralysis, seizures, a whole lot of not so great stuff. Now, despite sarin and VX being two different nerve agents that affect the body in the same way, there are a lot of differences between the two. For one, sarin is a substance that evaporates quickly, while VX doesn't evaporate nearly as fast. Meaning that while sarin can remain in an area for a very short amount of time, VX can remain in an area for literal days, which means more potential casualties due to VX exposure. Speaking of exposure, another difference between sarin and VX is that sarin affects the body through inhalation, while VX acts on the body through skin penetration. And I can't forget to mention a very large difference between sarin and VX. VX is overall more toxic to the human body as it's more potent than sarin is. So yeah, I just wouldn't mess with this stuff. Not a fun time.